What exactly is generative AI? In the past, AI was discriminative, focusing on classification, like labeling a photo as a dog or cat. But generative AI learns the underlying patterns of data to create entirely new content, drawing a new dog, writing a poem, or synthesizing speech. At the heart of this revolution are two key architectures. First, transformers use self-attention to predict the next text token one by one. Second, diffusion models generate realistic images by starting with pure random noise and gradually denoising it step by step. But raw models can hallucinate. To ground them in reality, we use retrieval augmented generation, or RAG. When you ask a question, RAG retrieves relevant documents from a vector database and embeds this verified context directly into the prompt. From coding assistance to drug discovery, generative AI is augmenting human capability. But challenges like training costs, bias, and deepfakes highlight the critical need for responsible development. The future of innovation is collaborative.